Good morning everyone, welcome to Ichifut Adventure. Today we're going to look for a wild animals inside in the forest. But before we start, while going to this place, I would like to shout out to all my viewers from my last videos. We're gonna start in Fritz Verchil Bation aka Chungo in Facebook, Tulibao Bulangis Chirik, Grace Saver from Slovenia, my neighboring country, Vince Island Tour, Robert Fox Dandoy, ang pinakasulit na supporter, Hans Maria Sikihor, Marie Irene Macasarte Nueva, Ann Sakari, Bong Alfonso, Alvin Reyes from Sikihor Sigbin Local Tourist Guide, Yan BL Maningo, Chris Jude Bumidiano, one of my old high school classmates, Sherdon Philip Bolokan, one of the handsome boy from the Island of Fire, Andre Azarcon, Dave Alvin Maglinte, the famous DJ in Sikihor Island, ug sa tanang mga Tinago boys from Sikihor, especially ni Henry Lumingkit Lumuya. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to share, like, and follow Ichifut Adventure page. Thank you so much. Charan! So we're already 30 minutes on the road, and I'm still looking for a place where I'm gonna park my car, and I think we're almost there. It's already forest here, but I'm not gonna make so much noise so that I'm not going to scare all the wild animals here. So now we are here in the spot, and I think I'm just going to park my car here and I'm going to explore this side of the jungle. But first I'm going to change my lens. This is the important thing for me to capture the long distance wild animals. So from 15 to 45 mm I'm going to change it to 55 to 200 mm Canon lens. This is really good for long distance captured for wild animals. So let's go. Looking for something here. I think I'm gonna move in the other side. There will be no fox here. But most of the animals here are deers. I don't know, I hear that there's already a fox here. I think some animals are sleeping here. Pooh. Ta-da! So it's already 10 minutes since I looking for something here. I think I'm gonna move in the other side. After 10 minutes of walking, I came from there and there. Then I'm planning to go up there. Look, the camera up there. There. And I will try to look what's there behind, if I can find something. So I saw a squirrel, but it's really fast. I don't have chance to pick up my camera. So we go forward, look what we can find up in the hills.
hope in this spot we can find something here. I'm already on the top of the hills. I saw so many holes here. It's an open space. It's an open space place. Look there. So from here, where I'm standing now, I came down there. Wait, I hear something. I think a group of deer is there. Let's try to have a look. I'm going to prepare my 200 lens camera. Let's go. But I must be quiet. Yeah, it's a group of... It's a group of deer. It's there. So I must hide here, something. So from here, where I'm sitting down, I see a group of deer. They have really long horns. Take the camera, let's go. But I'm not going to move. They're looking at me. I think they're going to run. The other group is already running. But the other group are brave one. So they're waiting. If I'm going to move, then they're going to run also, I think. Everyone is looking at me. It's really crazy. But I think it's not a good idea to stay here more. If everyone will run here, then I will be fucked up. So mission accomplished. We saw wild deers, and the good thing is they are in the group. But I must go back here where I came from. But I'm really curious what kind of hole is there? What for animals staying here? So, as you can see, I don't know what for animals is living there. Not just here, there's still more there. More here. A hole. So look, it's really until here. So now, mission accomplished. We found a group of deers, but I did not stay longer. So because I don't want that everyone will be running and scared of me, because all the deers are watching at me already. They know that someone is there. So I must go back to my way and go back to my car. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Hope to see you again next time. Please don't forget to like, share, and follow Itchyfoot Adventure.